Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a new educational course. If you're looking to learn web design from scratch, this course is for you. With complete instruction in HTML, CSS, and WordPress, you'll progress step by step to an intermediate level without needing any prior experience. It's ideal for students, programming enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to build their own professional website. Start now and gain practical web design skills. This course, with over 43,000 students and a 4.4 rating, is considered a successful one. Its current price is around €20. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and benefit from future updates. The duration of the course is 3 hours and includes 2 related articles. In this course, you will learn tag element attributes, choosing editor, Visual Studio setup, structure and title, text and heading, text, font, background color, text formatting, page link and hyperlink, adding and resizing image. Now I have an exciting offer for you. I want to give you access to this practical course for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now simply open your browser and type couponcenter5.com in the Google search engine. From the results shown, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches what is shown here and you are directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the homepage of the site. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for courses. Use the search bar to find your desired course. Now you can view the course you are looking for. To get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click the button. Go to the course. The course will be available to you for free. Please note that the coupon has a time limit. Now you have gained free and legal access to this course with just a few clicks. If this video was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.